I'm literally in the middle of nowhere, New Mexico, and I stumbled upon this yard, and this guy is selling all these cars. Mainly has a lot of Cherokees and Wagoneers in the 1970 range, like this Cherokee Chief. And I've always wanted one of these two-door, four-wheel drive. Look at this thing. Let's check this thing out. Never mind. Yeah, super cool. A lot of Fords over here. Let's see if we can get this thing opened up. Got a manual in it too. Dude, so cool. He's got some really nice Wagoneers over there, but about $6 grand, but very, very, very rust free. Hey, what's up, yard dog? What's going on? Let's see what else we got here. It's got to be the Ford section. Oh, part of a C10. Man, it's got the sliding window that I want to put in mine. Except it's not actually there. Look at these cab corners, man. Still pretty rotted, dude. Not super bad, but... Okay, so if I ever do end up getting a Wagoneer or a Cherokee, this is the place to come for parts. There's another one. Wow, man. And he's got one inside that he's working on. Kind of an older gentleman. What would you say, like 75 probably? Yeah, maybe even older. Really nice guy though. So next year, Zip Tie Drags, this is what we're throwing an LS into. And we're gonna make it a wheelie van. What do you think? Dude, look at this Jeepster. Man, this guy's got some cool stuff. So I guess next time we come out here, we're coming out here with a trailer. A trailer that holds at least 3 cars, because I'm snagging that Tempest if it's a decent price. But with what he's selling this stuff for, I'm pretty sure the Tempest guy is gonna want a pretty penny. Because come on, man, these people know what they got. Man, this is so cool. Drive shaft, anybody? Another Ford. You know, I know this thing got kind of ripped apart, but you notice that these Fords always sag.
Yep.
Like right in the center. Every single one I've ever seen, unless it's restored. All right, so this is the section full of super awesome wagons. Oh, dude, what is that? Is that a Buick? Oh, boy. So cool. So this thing probably has a 455 in it, being a full size. Yeah, I mean, you kind of need it to push something that heavy, but still, man, this thing needs a lot of work though. And this thing does have a little bit of Illinois rust towards the bottom there. Man, very cool. What else we got? Another wagon. That almost looks like something Clark Griswold would take the family into Wally World. Man, this would probably be worth some money if it was a 2-door. You know? So we're desperately trying to get the Zip Tie Drags on time, but we keep getting sidetracked, so I don't know what time we're actually going to get there tonight. Because it's turning into tonight and not this afternoon. Is that a Riviera back there? Yeah. Yeah, there's another Tornado right there. Man. I think I might be moving to the desert. Right, dog? That's right. Alright, so we're going to check out this last vehicle and we're going to get on the road to Zip Tie Drags. This thing is literally rust. It hasn't eaten through yet. Very cool. All right, dog, lead the way. You ready? You ready to get out of here? Come on. Come on. So let's check out this square body and we'll wrap this up. Very cool. Well, I think if I ever came out here for any type of vehicle, it would definitely be a Cherokee or Wagoneer. Yep, there's probably about 5 or 6 Wagoneers and a Jeep truck in this little section here. And most of these are about $6,000, which is a little pricey, but figuring that this is in the desert and heavy duty rust is very minimal, these are actually a pretty decent price. Dude, I might ask him about this thing. 2-door Cherokee. I wonder how much he wants for it. I mean, it's not in the best condition. It is an automatic though. Nothing wrong with that. Very cool. Then you got this awesome Jeep truck here.